Hello my wonderful and amazing supporters, welcome back again to my channel Susan Gold TV. In today's video I'm going to be showing how I made myself I just call this hair a lazy hair crochet because I was so lazy to make myself braid, and I needed to make my hair because I was going somewhere. So I decided to just make myself this easy hairstyle. So what I use is Kinky coil. Alright guys, so first thing I did, I just cut 3 parts from the front, then I apply little shine and jam on the front and before I pack it. So the way I apply it to the first one, the same way I did to the other ones. So after I apply it, I use a comb to brush it to make it smooth, then I use rubber band to hold it. Before this is exactly what I did to the 3 at the front. So after that, before I will start doing the cornrow. Now I'm done with the front, so it's now for me to start the cornrow. I'm just going to weave it very large size because you know I'm going to make afro, and I'm going to just make this hair so lazy, so I just want to cut it. At the end of the day I'm going to cover the part, so that is why I don't even care if the part is smooth or not. And those 3 I do at the back. So when I weave hair that is close to the line that is close to the hair, I'm going to attach it to it. So the reason I pack this front, so that it will look like I am doing a packing gel, whereas is normal weaving a crochet. This is the kicking coils I'm going to be using. It's not Yuma hair, but the quality is very good. You know, this kicking coil, they have different brand. This one, the quality is very nice. I can say it's close to Yuma hair, but it's not Yuma, but it's very soft and it's nice. I got it from a shop, that is why there is no link for it. I would have loved to drop the link, but since I got it from the shop, there is no link.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point?
If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Really do appreciate your support, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much. We really do appreciate you for your support. I say may God bless you all, both our new and our old subscriber. God will continue to bless all of you, and remain blessed and stay safe, guys.
had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm doing yesterday. Water.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it. There's not a single day that passes